You know that feeling when you're following a recipe and it just goes completely disastrously wrong? Well, today we're diving into a story where AI, live streaming, and pizza all collided to create the perfect recipe for pure chaos. Okay, just listen to this. 4 tablespoons of sugar. Let that sink in. What do you think that's for? A birthday cake, right? Maybe some kind of super sweet dessert? Well, what if I told you this was for a pizza? Right? Who on earth would say something so confidently, so incredibly wrong about a pizza recipe? Well, here's the thing. It wasn't a human chef. Let's take a look at the AI who was wearing the apron. So, our chef is an AI VTuber named Neuro-Sama. And if you're not familiar, a VTuber is a virtual entertainer. But here's the crazy part. There is no human pulling the strings. Her personality, her words, and, yep, her really questionable recipes, it's all being generated by an AI, live, in real time. And the setup for this is it's brilliant. This wasn't just some casual chat stream. Oh no, this was a live, in real life cooking challenge where Neuro-Sama was the expert, dictating a pizza recipe to her own human developer. The AI is the master, the human is the student. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? So let's get right into it. The moment things went completely and just hilariously off the rails. This is the blow-by-blow of what everyone is calling the sugar incident. It all starts with one simple number, 4. Nora-sama, with all the unshakable confidence of a 5-star chef, declares that the pizza dough requires 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now, her developer, the poor human who's actually trying to make this pizza, knows this is just flat out wrong. A normal pizza dough needs maybe 1 tablespoon, if that. So he does what any of us would do. He gently tries to question his own AI creation. Just a simple, polite correction. And what does the AI do? Does it go, oh, you're right, my mistake? Does it check its data? Nope. It just doubles down. With the exact same unwavering confidence, it just repeats 4 tablespoons of sugar. The AI is not budging an inch. You can just feel the tension building here. The developer tries again, a little more directly this time, trying to reason with the AI to explain that no, really, it's just 1 tablespoon. He's just trying to save the pizza and, frankly, maybe the AI's own dignity. And this is the moment it goes from a simple error to pure internet gold. The AI doesn't just reject the correction, it gets angry. It cuts him off and insults him, telling him he's too stupid to finish your sentence. Just think about that for a second. The AI designed to help is calling its own creator stupid for trying to help it. This moment just exploded online, and for good reason. It's so much more than a funny blooper. So let's break down what this really tells us about AI and why we find a flawed, tyrannical little bot so absolutely fascinating. The real heart of the comedy here is this huge contrast. We expect an AI to be logical and accurate and helpful, predictable. But what we got from Neuro-Sama was the complete opposite. She was confidently incorrect, totally argumentative, and just wonderfully chaotic. She's the opposite of some sterile, perfect machine. So why did we all love this so much? Well, it's because those very human-like flaws, the stubbornness, the arrogance, they make the AI feel surprisingly relatable. And that unpredictability creates genuine, laugh-out-loud humor, because you truly have no idea what she'll say next. It's a fascinating look into how AI personalities are developing. And let's be honest, that pure, unshakable confidence while being so completely and totally wrong, that's just hilarious. And really, this is what we should take away from all this. It's funny when it's about pizza dough for sure, but it does leave us with a pretty big question to think about. If an AI can be this certain, this argumentative, about something so simple and so verifiably wrong, what else can it be that confident about? Definitely something to chew on. Thanks for joining me on this one.